Hello everyone, today we are here to review these guest papers of Vinod Publications. All these are Punjab B.Ed Semester 2 Punjabi medium guest papers of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted education publishing firm of India. All these are fully solved guest papers. All these are bestseller. All have 100% sure success rate, and all these are as per the new syllabus. So let's now check out and review all these guest papers of Vinod Publications, and each have a price of just rupees 99 rupees only. Let's have a quick review on all of them. Let's start with understanding the learner. Semester wise syllabus is mentioned. New syllabus as per the as prescribed by Punjab University Chandigarh, and then syllabus is mentioned. Unit 1, nature of learning as a process, as an outcome, characteristics and factors affecting learning. Then unit 2 is mentioned. You can check this out easily. Unit 3 is mentioned. Then unit 4 is mentioned. You can check this out. All the 4 units are mentioned. Then the topics are discussed very well in detail. Each topic is discussed very well in detail. Very important questions are also highlighted in topics. Also topics are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language to make it comfortable for both kind of readers. So if you are easy in reading English language, you can still buy this guest paper, because it will be very helpful to you even then, because topics are highlighted in English language also. Most important questions are marked, points are given, so many preference, topics are discussed in detail, so many pages are given to each and every topic. Very good guest paper again. So 99 is the only price of this guest paper. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon. You can buy it online, or you can call them directly at 9218-219218, and this guest paper will be delivered to your location within just 3-4 days only. I highly recommend this guest paper. You can buy it offline from any available bookstore, also from any available bookstore which has B.Ed books in guest paper. 99 is the only price of guest paper. Understanding the learner, I highly recommend it. Must buy it. Thank you so much. Next guest paper is assessment for learning, semester 2, again Punjabi medium, Punjab University. Now units are given. Unit 1, basic concept. Assessment for learning test examination. Then unit 2, assessment tools and subtopics. Unit 3, analysis and interpretation of assessment and subtopics. Then unit 4, trends and issue assessment and subtopics. Many subtopics till to 12 topic and emerging practice and assessment is given. Now everything from unit 1 till unit 4, everything is discussed in detail, with pictorial representation. Things are highlighted in both Punjabi and English language, so that if you are even easy in English language, you can still buy this guest paper. It will be easy to you even then. Very well discussed in detail. Things are discussed. Very good guest paper. Highly recommend this one also. Till the end, everything is very well given. So price of this guest paper is just 99 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon. You can buy it online, or you can call them directly at 9218-219218, and it will be delivered within just 3-4 days only. Or you can buy it offline from any available bookstore nearby your location. It will be available to you at 99 rupees only. So assessment for learning is another guest paper. I highly recommend it. Another guest paper is sociological basis of education. Another semester 2 B.Ed Punjab University Punjabi medium guest paper. Unit wise syllabus are mentioned. Unit 1, education and sociology. Unit 2, education and society. Then unit 3, education and culture. Unit 4, education and social political context. So topics are given in syllabus in both English and Punjabi language to make it comfortable for both kind of readers. Units are very well discussed in matter, very well discussed and explained. Very important questions are given. You can check English and Punjabi language, and both are given, so that you can comfortably read it. Very good guest paper. Things are highlighted and very well discussed. Many pages are given to each and particular topic. So this guest paper is just 99 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon. You can buy it online, or you can call them directly at 9218-219218, and it will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can also buy it offline from any available bookstore nearby your location at 99 rupees only, whichever has B.Ed books. So sociological basis of education guest paper is highly recommendable. Must buy this. Another guest paper is curriculum and understanding the learner, again semester 2 B.Ed Punjab University Punjabi medium. Unit 1, conceptual framework of curriculum. Unit 2, essential of curriculum. Unit 3, structure of discipline. And unit 4, analyzing relationship between school subjects, total, yeah, till there it's given. Now everything is very well discussed again, till unit 1 till 2, unit 4, unit 1, then questions 1 2 3 4, everything is discussed, points are given, highlighted in both English and Punjabi for both kind of readers, to make it comfortable both kind of readers. Again, a great guest paper, very important questions are also highlighted, you can check this out. So price of this guest paper is 99, again available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can call them directly at also 9218 219218 at Vinod Publications. It will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can buy it offline from any available bookstore nearby location at just rupees 99 rupees only, whichever has B.Ed books and guest papers. Curriculum and understanding the discipline, again highly recommendable. Another guest paper is school management. Now this is also semester 2 guest paper, Punjab University Punjabi medium, unit wise syllabus, organization and management. Then unit 2, essential facets of school organization. Then unit 3, quality enhancement and management of school. Then unit 4, recent trends in school management, till that it's given. So check this out, guest paper on another matter is very well explained in detail. Points are highlighted in both Punjabi and English language to make it comfortable both kind of readers. Most important questions, very important questions are also marked very well. Guest paper, very good guest paper. Things are discussed in detail. Many points are given to each and particular topic. Its price is just 99 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon. You can buy it online or you can call them directly at 9218 219218. It will be delivered to you in just 3-4 days only. You can buy it offline from any available bookstore also nearby location, whichever has B.Ed books. 99 rupees for this school management is a highly recommendable, very reasonable price, highly recommendable guest paper. Once again, school management, must buy it. So all these 5 guest papers of Vinod Publications are great, very reasonable price. 99 is the price of each one. Must buy all of them. Everything is discussed in detail. All are bestseller B.Ed Punjab semester 2 guest paper of Punjabi medium, Punjab University, of the best seller publishing firm, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm of India, Vinod Publication. All are highly recommendable, must buy it. Thank you so much.